Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Gupta and I am the student of UnSkills spoken classes. Today I am going to talk about some commonly spoken sentences. So let's start. First sentence is, are you comfortable? Next sentence is, be careful. Next sentence is, can you do me a favor? Next sentence is, do you go to Delhi often? Next sentence is, every day I get up at 6 a.m. Next sentence is, have you been to London? Next sentence is, here you are. Next sentence is, how much do I owe you? Next sentence is, I can't hear you. Next sentence is, I have a headache. Next sentence is, I want to show you something. Next sentence is, I need to practice my English every day. Next sentence is, I am married. Next sentence is it close? Next sentence is, I am 25. That's it. Hope you like it. So do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.